Today we're gonna do something cool. Been wanting to unbox this for quite a while. We just got this in Type 7. This is an amazing book. You kind of see it right here. When we flip it over, I'm gonna kind of talk about this. This is new to me. I've never seen this before. A lot of hype, a lot of cool things in this thing, in this box. So let's get to it. Logos, just the box itself is just amazing. I mean, when you first get it. It's the Artifacts Porsche book. And now let's open it. It's gonna block me, but there it is. Oh yeah. Don't even get me in the photo. All we need to see is this. All right, it's the Porsche Museum Edition. Already I can tell it's an official belt from Porsche. Even has the locking mechanism. Oh yeah. Created and photographed with the iconic manufacturer's most secret spaces. There's a bunch of photos in here as well. Let's just kind of get into it right now. I don't really want to rip it open with a knife, but we're going to attempt. It's my first unboxing, by the way. I've never done this before, so you know, it is what it is. But I'm gonna do this very carefully. Oh, this thing is sweet. Here we go. Like I said, it's got its own belt just to open this book. Pretty sweet. So yeah, first impression, I mean, amazing. It's an actual seat belt, the material and everything. Open it up. See, I mean, legit Artifact seat belt, Porsche Edition magazine. Like when I said it's, I mean, it's a straight fasten. So amazing, amazing belt. I mean, before you even open it, just beautiful. Attention to detail, the colors. Autofocus is colors, black, white, and red. Automatically, I love this. Goes perfect with it. This is just the box again. We just had one box, this is the other box. So, as you open up the box, there we go. Kind of see the light. You can see drawings, schematics, everything in here itself. It has photographs, stickers, different things. I'm just gonna close this for a bit now. You got different photographs from manufacturer plant. Of course, some obviously super cool stickers. Can't go wrong with those. Oh yeah. Just kind of the assembly. It's beautiful. So if you've, oh yeah, that was perfect. Look at that. This is awesome. You kind of got the stickers right here. I can make this very interesting, can't I? Data was the Porsche aerodynamic testing. Norbert Singer, location, Weissau Development Facility. Flocked Weissau. It's the Weissau Development Facility. With the book. Set the box aside. The actual book itself. We kind of first open it. Artifacts book. Pictures along rows. I mean, man, this thing is. The pages itself are thick. I mean, very, very well put together. Again, amazing. These the paper is not actual paper. I mean, it's thick. Ready to go start. I mean, let's see, factory plant timber. Automobile club looks like a buyer's order or something, but I guess that's each an individual part. Seat cover, I mean, again, we could flip this thing around and seat belt right here. You know, we got some stickers, but You know, as you can see, just amazing. I wonder if that's the same James Dean, the actor, I don't know. But, looks so. James Dean owned. It's amazing. It just goes through a massive history. I mean, you got photos, you got any piece of equipment, you know, anything to really appreciate the brand. You know, it's an artistic book. For y'all that do know kind of what a trapper keeper, you know, your old school folders back in the day, that's what the exterior of this book feels like. Kind of what it looks like, and it looks like back in the day. In one of the original books, it's the same material. So at first I thought it was a little confusing, but it looks to be the same material they used back in the 50s and 60s. So there we go. Aerodynamic model, nice little. So, oh, here we go. Here's a little surprise. So like I said, this book has a bunch of little hidden beauties, little surprises, things you could pull out, images, just rich history. It's real in depth. Different racing suits, which I think is amazing. Here we have the aerodynamic model for the race car, another suit. The 1980 manufacturer's champion poster. Here we go. All right. 6. So customer racing. All about the customer. God, if y'all can get your hands on one of these, I mean, this is, again, beautiful. You know, box. Yep, I'm in my socks. I'm messing with my office, but wanted to do a quick unboxing. I think I really like the box. I really like the book. And so obviously it's going to go in the corner. Autofocus colors. Like I said, autofocus colors. This was my very first hat. Autofocus colors. Black, white, and red. But yeah, that's going to go there for sure. Anyways, maybe I'll do another one. This is just kind of part of the vlog. But like I said, guys, if you want to know anything more in detail, this thing is beautiful. All right, out.